Okay, so let us rewrite the given problem we have. Um, 2 raised to the power of 30 plus 2 raised to the power of 29 plus 2 raised to the power of 28. And then on our denominator, we have 2 raised to the power of 31 plus 2 raised to the power of 30 minus 2 raised to the power of 29. Okay, so we can express this as 2 raised to the power of 28 times 2 plus 2. So using the law of exponent, when you're multiplying numbers with, multiplying same bases with exponents, you just have to add. So in this case, 28 plus 2 is still 30. Okay, so for 29, that means we now have 2, and then 2, 28 divided